Now I will discuss MCQ of exercise from exercise 1.3. At first, question number A from 10. That is a very short answer type question. The first question is the number of roots of quadratic equation is 1, 2, 3, none of these. So this is the quadratic equation. We know that here degree of this equation, that means power of the x of this equation is 2. So number of roots, that means values of x will be 2. So here answer will be B, that is 2. And the question number 2 is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Here given that question number 2 is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 when it will be quadratic equation. Everyone know that quadratic equation means highest power of the variable will be 2. So here x square will be present when a not equal to 0. Okay, if a equal to 0, then x square will be vanished. Then the equation then the equation reduced to linear equation. That means here power of x will be 1 when x square is vanished. Therefore it will be quadratic equation when a not equal to 0. So that is option number C. Now question number 3 is the highest power of the variable in quadratic equation is. Everyone know that highest power of the variable in quadratic equation, that is 2. So it will be option B. Now question number 4. Here given that 4 into 5x square minus 7x plus 2 equals to 5 into 4x square minus 6x plus 3. This is linear, quadratic, third degree, none of this. Now we take this equation, that is 4 into 5x square minus 7x plus 2. This equals to 5 into 4x square minus 6x plus 3. Then 5 4s are 20x square minus 7 4s are 28x, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20x square minus 5 6s are 30x, 5 3s are 15. Everyone see that that is terms of x in left hand side. So 20x square, here also 20x square minus 20x square, that is minus 28x. This is minus 30x, it will be plus 30x, and this is plus 8, then it will be minus 15. This equal to 0. Minus 20x square plus 20x square will be eliminate. Then minus 28x plus 30x, it will be 2x, and 8 minus 15, that is minus 7 equal to 0. So this equation here terms of x square is not present, terms of x is present, highest power of the x is in this equation is 1. So this will be the linear equation. So for this question, and the answer will be option A. Option A, here given that option A is the linear equation, so it will be option A. Now next question number 5. Question number 5 is the root or two roots of this equation will be. Here equation is x square by x equal to 6. Everyone see that for this case, for here divided x, for this case x will be eliminated when x is not equal to 0. When x is equal to not equal to 0, therefore x and x will be eliminated. If x equal to 0, then the term will be 0 by 0, that is undefined. This is not equal to 6, it will be undefined. So this expression will be defined when x not equal to 0. So x will be eliminated, therefore x equal to 6. So for this equation, the roots of this equation will be 6, option B. Okay students, now I will discuss question number C. Here given that question number 1, C of 1, given that a equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, then quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the equation is a dash. Everyone see that here a equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 of this equation. Here a equal to 0 in this question, everyone see that a equal to 0 means x square, term of x square will be vanished, b non-zero, therefore bx plus c equal to 0. Then equation will be bx plus c equal to 0. So this equation will be the linear equation because power of x is 1. So this is not quadratic. So this equation is it will be linear equation. Then second question, if the two roots of the quadratic equation is 1, be 1, then the equation is, here given that two roots are 1. Question number 2, here given that two roots are 1, first root 1 and also second root 1. That means root means value of x. So one value x equal to 1 and another value also x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then x minus 1 equal to 0. Here also x equal to 1, so x minus 1 equal to 0. Then the equation will be x minus 1 into x minus 1, this equals to 0 into 0, or x minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So this is 2x square, this is x square minus 2x plus 1 square mean 1 equal to 0. So this will be the quadratic equation. And also question number 3 of C. Here given that the equation is x square equal to 6x. Everyone see that the equation is x square equal to 6x. Then we can write x square minus 6x equal to 0. If we take x is common, then x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore product of these two terms is 0. So x equal to 0 and x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 6. So there are two value of x, one is 0 and another is 6. There are two roots. Everyone see that the previous sum, that means sum number 5 of 10a. Here given that the given equation is x square by x equal to 6, and in this equation x square equal to 6x. Everyone see that these two equations are not equal. Okay. Because here x is divide, so for this equation the x is not equal to 0, but this equation x is not divide, so here x can be 0. Okay, now I will discuss question number 11. At first 3 of 11. Let us write the value of other root if one root of the equation 2x square plus kx, if one root of the equation 2x square plus kx plus 4 equal to 0 is 2. Find the other root. Okay students, so here equation is 2x square plus kx plus 4 equal to 0. Here one root is given, that is 2. Find the another. This is quadratic equation. If one root is 2, therefore find other root. Everyone that see that one root is 2, that means x equal to 2. Then we put in this equation x equal to 2, and then calculate it, we get k is minus 6. K is minus 6. Then everyone see that if k is minus 6, then equation will be 2x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. If we divided each term by 2, then x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then taking middle term, we get x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2, and x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. So if one root is 2, then another root will be 1. Now I will discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is given that let's write the equation of difference of proper fraction and its reciprocal is 9 by 2. Everyone know that what is the proper fraction? Proper fraction means when numerator is less than denominator, then this fraction is called proper fraction, and everyone know that value of the proper fraction is less than 1. So if here proper fraction is x, then its reciprocal will be 1 by x. Everyone see that proper fraction is less than 1, so its reciprocal will be greater than 1. So 1 by x is greater than x. So equation by the problem 1 by x minus x equal to 9 by 20, because difference between these two is 9 by 20 is given. Difference mean greater number minus less number. So that is 1 by x minus x equal to 9 by 20. Then calculate it. So equation will be 20x square plus 9x minus 20. Okay. Last question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, see that this equation is given and here given that two roots are -5 and -7, so find the value of a and b. Okay, so when one root is -5, then x equal to -5, and putting the value of -5 in this equation and calculate it, then this is the relation of a and b. This is the equation number 1, and putting the value of second root, that is x when x equal to -7, putting this equation, then we get here 7a minus b equal to 5. So this is the second equation. Then solve this equation by elimination method. We get a value of a and b. A is 1 and b is 12. Okay, thank you.